So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these two repeated questions to answer on the topic Colonial Administration. So in short, to stay till the end of this video guys, as this is a very important one. We're going to go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, before 1945, the component units of Nigeria were A. Provinces, B. Regions, C. Districts, D. States. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's provinces. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question guys. So here is question number 2 of 2, and that's the last for this video. It says here, the general strike of 1945 was caused primarily by the A. Disparity in the criteria for employment, B. Persistent implementation of discriminatory law, C. Harshness in trade laws as it concerns the Africans, D. Government's rejection of a demand for an increase of 50% in the cost of living allowance. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.